Forthcoming Model 2 is poised to surpass previous Tesla models in sales, primarily due to its cost-effectiveness and innovative design that seeks to attract a wider demographic. The competitive landscape with BYD underscores Tesla's urgent necessity to introduce a budget-friendly model, particularly as Chinese manufacturers have already established a presence in the market with lower-priced electric vehicles. Musk's strategic approach emphasizes a minimalist design coupled with cost efficiency, ensuring that the Model 2 adheres to Tesla's brand identity while simultaneously being more accessible to consumers. The Model 2 incorporates a redesigned door system that prioritizes practicality, utilizing a traditional four-door configuration instead of more complex mechanisms like the Falcon Wing doors. This redesign significantly enhances usability for the typical driver. In pursuit of affordability, the Model 2 makes concessions on certain luxury features, such as heated seats and a panoramic roof, while still integrating essential technologies, including full self-driving capabilities. This strategic balance is intended to appeal to budget-conscious consumers. Tesla is reportedly advancing the development of an innovative aluminum-ion battery that aims to diminish costs and enhance performance, with aspirations to replace lithium and lower the overall price of the Model 2. This technological leap has the potential to significantly improve energy density and vehicle range. The forthcoming aluminum-ion battery technology, characterized by its lower cost and greater abundance compared to lithium, is anticipated to bolster both the affordability and efficiency of the Model 2. This development marks a notable advancement in electric vehicle technology. Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, aspires to revolutionize the global labor market, which holds a valuation considerably higher than that of the automotive industry. This strategic emphasis on humanoid robotics reflects Tesla's forward-thinking vision for the future. The competitive dynamics with SPAng highlight the race in artificial intelligence and robotics, as both companies engage in swift technological advancements. Tesla's established software and data advantages contrast with SPAng's emerging cost-effective manufacturing capabilities. Elon Musk contends that Tesla's Optimus will surpass competitors, including SPAng Iron, owing to its advanced capabilities that encompass a variety of household tasks. This potential could redefine industry expectations surrounding humanoid robotics. Musk envisions humanoid robots, particularly Optimus, as a means to eliminate poverty and transform labor dynamics by rendering work discretionary. This viewpoint reflects a broader ambition regarding technology's role in shaping societal structures. Tesla's existing technological infrastructure uniquely positions the company to take a leadership role in the field of humanoid robotics. The integration of components derived from Tesla vehicles illustrates the scalability inherent in their robotic capabilities. Optimus 3 is anticipated to exhibit such a lifelike appearance that it would closely resemble a human in a robotic suit, thereby enhancing its functional applicability in everyday settings. The engineering team at Tesla has devised a decentralized learning network, empowering Optimus robots to collaboratively share knowledge and enhance efficiency with each newly acquired task. Currently, SPAng's Iron Robot is regarded as a competitor due to its human-like aesthetics and advanced mobility, presenting a challenge to Tesla's design philosophy. Optimus boasts an impressive 40 degrees of freedom, with a particular emphasis on hand and wrist articulation, enabling it to perform tasks such as grasping tools and interacting reliably with objects. This feature significantly enhances its utility in manufacturing environments. Tesla strategically leverages its extensive AI infrastructure, developed through its self-driving technology, to train Optimus with real-world data, thereby ensuring optimal performance across diverse manufacturing settings. In contrast to competitors that focus primarily on human-like aesthetics, Tesla's goal centers on industrial applications, providing a more straightforward pathway for immediate deployment and integration into its existing manufacturing operations. The design of the Pi phone highlights themes of minimalism and durability, utilizing aerospace-grade titanium and a self-healing nanocoating to resist everyday wear and tear. This represents a stark contrast to the fragility commonly associated with existing smartphones. Tesla's advanced battery technology, featuring aluminum-ion cells, facilitates extended usage times and enhances safety compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries employed in other smartphones. This innovation addresses prevalent battery issues faced by users. The camera system integrated into the Pi phone distinguishes itself with 548-megapixel lenses and advanced image processing capabilities, moving away from the conventional megapixel emphasis. This innovative approach strives to deliver superior photographic quality to users. Moreover, the Pi phone's camera system excels in low-light scenarios and incorporates an AI imaging engine that enhances photo quality through automatic adjustments, representing a significant advancement for photography enthusiasts. Tesla's operating system, XOS, is meticulously designed from the ground up for optimal performance and user privacy, intentionally avoiding the common pitfalls associated with Android and iOS ecosystems. This dedication to user experience sets it apart from other smartphones. With lifetime access to free Starlink internet, the Pi phone guarantees connectivity in remote areas, eliminating the burden of monthly fees while providing reliable service. This addresses a significant concern for users lacking consistent internet access. By maintaining stringent control over its supply chain, Tesla is positioned to offer lower prices compared to competitors, effectively eliminating middlemen and associated markups. This approach yields direct financial benefits for customers through reduced costs. The Pi phone serves as a gateway into Tesla's expansive ecosystem, linking users to a suite of services such as Starlink and Tesla vehicles, ultimately emphasizing long-term value over the inherent features of the standalone device. Elon Musk's strategic move capitalizes on the recent consumer discontent with Apple's iPhone 17, positioning Tesla to enter the smartphone market at a pivotal moment for potential customers seeking viable alternatives. The new Tesla model anticipates substantial sales that outpace previous iterations, with production capabilities designed to achieve thousands of units daily. This strategic advancement holds the potential to redefine Tesla's positioning within the automotive market. In response to increasing competitive pressures from Chinese automotive manufacturers, particularly BYD, Elon Musk has implemented a pricing strategy that emphasizes competitiveness, thereby addressing the market dynamics of lower-priced electric vehicles. Initial responses to the Model 2 have varied, with a segment of consumers expressing skepticism regarding the quality associated with lower pricing, while others exhibit enthusiasm about the prospect of owning a Tesla for the first time. Tesla has opted for a conventional four-door design for the Model 2, thereby prioritizing practicality and usability over more extravagant mechanisms, such as the Falcon Wing doors. This decision enhances the vehicle's convenience for urban consumers. The Model 2 is engineered to enhance accessibility to electric vehicles through the inclusion of a comprehensive self-driving hardware suite, aligning with Tesla's vision of an autonomous future. This integration assures a premium experience delivered at a more accessible price point. A noteworthy innovation in the model may second be the introduction of aluminum-ion batteries, which promise superior performance and cost efficiency compared to conventional lithium batteries. This advancement has the potential to significantly reshape the low-cost electric vehicle market. The emerging aluminum-ion battery technology is anticipated to facilitate lower costs and enhanced efficiency relative to lithium-ion counterparts, thereby broadening the accessibility of electric vehicles. This development is expected to substantially influence the pricing strategy for Tesla's Model 2. Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, signifies a strategic transition toward artificial intelligence and robotics, potentially overshadowing the company's electric vehicle initiatives. The competition posed by Spang's less expensive robot heightens the stakes within the market. Elon Musk regards Optimus as a pivotal component for the future of labor, underlining the significant role of humanoid robots in the global market landscape. Both Tesla and Spang are engaged in a race to deliver their respective technologies to consumers. The swift evolution of humanoid robotics has yielded a multitude of announcements, intensifying competition within the sector. This rapid advancement reflects a remarkable shift in technological capabilities and market dynamics associated with robotics. Musk asserts that Tesla Optimus can surpass its rivals by executing essential household tasks, thus providing a functional edge. This versatility could resonate with consumers seeking practical robotic solutions for everyday activities. Elon Musk posits that the foundational technologies underlying Tesla vehicles are well suited for the development of humanoid robotics. This robust technological base positions Tesla to manufacture Optimus at scale with considerable efficacy. The Origin M1 humanoid robot from a head form exemplifies the uncanny valley phenomenon by closely replicating human expressions, which can evoke discomfort among observers. This highlights the intrinsic challenges in engineering human-like robotic entities. Optimus 2.5 is proficient in performing basic tasks such as spatial navigation and self-recharging, whereas Optimus 3 aims to achieve a more lifelike appearance and is scheduled for debut in the first quarter of the upcoming year. Tesla's innovative strategy enables Optimus to disseminate acquired tasks across multiple robotic units, forming a decentralized learning network. This architecture enhances operational efficiency and user experience as new capabilities are integrated. Optimus showcases significant dexterity in its hands and arms, allowing effective interaction with tools and various objects. This design prioritizes practical applications in factory settings over mere imitation of human motion. Tesla's extensive experience in artificial intelligence and data analytics equips it well for the advancement of Optimus. The robot leverages a mature AI ecosystem, honed through vast amounts of real-world data. In contrast to Spang, Tesla's approach prioritizes the integration of Optimus into its manufacturing workflows, ensuring that the robot's practical applications are immediately realized. This direct application establishes a valuable platform for ongoing enhancements. The Tesla Pi phone features an exceptionally durable design, utilizing aerospace-grade titanium alongside a self-healing nanocoating, resulting in a device that significantly outperforms competitors, such as the iPhone, in terms of strength and longevity. Tesla's advanced battery technology surpasses that of traditional smartphones, delivering exceptional longevity and efficiency. The implementation of aluminum-ion batteries enables prolonged usage and reduces the frequency of needed recharges. The camera system integrates 548-megapixel lenses coupled with sophisticated image processing capabilities derived from Tesla's vehicle AI. This methodology aspires to enhance photo quality without succumbing to the pressures of the megapixel race. The AI imaging engine within the Pi phone elevates photo quality by automatically modulating lighting and eliminating distractions, rendering it particularly advantageous for photographers. This functionality distinctly separates it from competing devices. Tesla's XOS is an entirely new operating system that emphasizes user privacy and personalization, deliberately circumventing the data harvesting practices prevalent in other smartphone brands. This integration cultivates a seamless user experience. The Pi phone's satellite connectivity through Starlink guarantees reliable internet access in remote locales, alleviating the costs associated with monthly fees and providing considerable savings for users. This capability has the potential to revolutionize connectivity solutions. Tesla's comprehensive control over its supply chain facilitates lower pricing strategies, effectively eliminating intermediaries and associated markups. This operational efficiency contributes significantly to the affordability of the Pi phone for consumers. The Pi phone functions as a conduit into Tesla's broader ecosystem, which encompasses Starlink and Tesla vehicles, thereby emphasizing connectivity while prioritizing more traditional smartphone functionalities. Tesla's strategic timing in launching the Pi phone coincides with Apple's challenges surrounding the iPhone 17, strategically positioning Tesla to attract consumers who may be seeking alternative options. Adhesives are utilized in the assembly of the Model 2 to facilitate the creation of a continuous load path. This innovative approach significantly improves vibration distribution and enhances overall body stiffness, thereby augmenting the vehicle's longevity and enriching the driving experience. Furthermore, the implementation of standardized fasteners streamlines the repair and maintenance processes, which enables expeditious service times while minimizing the incidence of tool mix-ups. Consequently, this development leads to reduced repair costs for vehicle owners. Moreover, anti-corrosion treatments are administered to subassemblies prior to the final assembly stage, markedly enhancing the vehicle's rust resistance. As a result, owners will observe a notable decrease in corrosion-related issues even after prolonged use. In addition to this, the underbody design incorporates a flat under tray along with strategically placed access panels, which serve to shield against mud and water damage. This design not only protects the vehicle but also improves aerodynamics and efficiency during highway driving. Transitioning to Tesla's chip protection strategy, it is noteworthy that the design includes reinforced sills and composite liners. These components are specifically engineered to absorb impacts, thereby reducing instances of paint chipping and preventing rust through effective surface preservation. In terms of interior design, the Model 2 showcases a minimalist cabin that features intuitive controls. These elements allow drivers to operate various functions by feel, thereby enhancing their focus on the road and simplifying the overall user experience. Notably, the Model 2 incorporates mineral fiber composite materials, which provide enhanced durability and scratch resistance compared to conventional faux leather. This choice contributes significantly to maintaining a long-lasting interior appearance. Extending the principles of minimalist design, the door modules in the Model 2 are crafted for rapid repairs, permitting the replacement of entire units rather than individual components. This approach not only enhances efficiency but also reduces service time considerably. The rear semi-independent suspension system of the Model 2 is engineered to minimize wear points, resulting in fewer age-related issues and promoting a more durable setup ideal for daily commuting. This design philosophy prioritizes practicality over extreme performance. Additionally, the integrated hub and bearing system facilitates quick replacements, consequently minimizing labor time and reducing the likelihood of future mechanical issues. This design choice underscores Tesla's unwavering commitment to service efficiency. Furthermore, the Tesla Model 2 features common tire sizes which contribute to lowering replacement costs and enhancing availability. This pragmatic approach ultimately benefits owners by alleviating financial burdens associated with tire maintenance. The adoption of IP67 rated connectors throughout the vehicle significantly heightens durability, as these connectors effectively shield electronic components from moisture and dust. This protective measure ensures the consistent functionality of features over time, even under adverse weather conditions. Moreover, the cabin air filter in the Tesla Model 2 is designed with longevity in mind, featuring a larger filter box that diminishes the frequency of necessary replacements. This enhancement aids in maintaining air quality over an extended period. In constructing the Tesla Model 2, a combination of glued and welded shell components is employed to ensure both stiffness and durability. This robust build plays a pivotal role in contributing to the overall reliability of the vehicle. Lastly, inside the Model 2, practical design elements such as tactile knobs and modular door components are integrated to simplify repairs and maintenance procedures. This user-friendly approach significantly elevates the overall ownership experience. In reality, the production cost hinges on design, manufacturing, and necessary trade-offs. The Model 2's production cost breaks down into 4 layers: production cost, manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, incentives, and the out-the-door price. Misunderstandings regarding these layers can result in financial miscalculations for buyers. Moreover, individuals over 55 should explore stable pricing options, as fixed incomes complicate fluctuations in costs. A potential rise in prices could have profound implications on their financial plans. Additionally, the Model 2's advanced lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries may underperform in cold weather, substantially affecting charging times and battery longevity, particularly under rapid charging conditions. This concern is particularly relevant for users residing in colder climates. Furthermore, experimental aluminum-ion batteries might be implemented in the early production of the Model 2, however, they currently lack extensive real-world data beyond initial testing phases. This situation raises the possibility that buyers could inadvertently engage in testing unproven technology. In contrast, Tesla's rare earth-free motors may not match the efficiency of traditional motors. This discrepancy could lead to diminished acceleration and driving range, ultimately impacting daily driving experiences. Moreover, the risk of malfunctioning integrated systems could significantly affect the vehicle's reliability and increase repair costs. Thus, long-term maintenance considerations are crucial when selecting a vehicle. Tesla's implementation of larger casting machines reduces the number of components, enhancing production speed and vehicle safety. However, this change also complicates repair processes after accidents, potentially leading to increased costs. The financial landscape of ownership for the Model 2 emphasizes innovative manufacturing and financing tactics, which aim to achieve affordability without dependence on federal tax incentives. States such as California, Colorado, and Massachusetts are ramping up their electric vehicle incentives, reflecting a commitment to promoting electric vehicle adoption. This trend may inspire other states to enhance their own incentive programs. As a result, the higher projected residual values for electric vehicles are decreasing monthly lease payments, making EVs more appealing to consumers. This shift could alter public perceptions of vehicle ownership significantly. The timeline for the delivery of Tesla's Model 2 reveals a strategic commitment to maintaining quality while remaining competitive in the electric vehicle market. However, any delays could compromise Tesla's market share amid aggressive competition. For Tesla Model 2 owners, home charging is imperative, as charging in public can prove both costly and time-consuming. Without the ability to charge at home, the model may not emerge as the ideal choice. While the Model 2's lithium iron phosphate battery offers benefits such as safety and longevity, it possesses limitations in energy density, particularly impacting range in colder temperatures. The reduction in winter range could significantly hinder usability. Tesla's pioneering manufacturing techniques, including gigacasting and unboxed production, aim to lower costs and enhance reliability. This methodology is vital for making the Model 2 financially accessible. Additionally, the Model 2's predictive maintenance system offers advanced alerts about potential issues weeks in advance, potentially leading to significant savings on repair costs. This represents a notable departure from conventional reactive maintenance. The Grok 2.0 voice assistant improves user interaction by efficiently processing natural language, making vehicle adjustments intuitive and straightforward, thereby responding effectively to customer feedback over the years. Moreover, the active energy harvesting suspension system captures energy from the road to prolong range, enhancing ride comfort and addressing practical driving conditions, especially in areas with subpar road infrastructure. The Model 2's optional tow package enables